Let's make a yogurt curry like this within seconds. Very fast, very quick, simple ingredients. Let's see the whole video. Don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Let's make a yogurt curry. This is not a buttermilk curry, so this is a rich, thick curry. Onto a bowl, add yogurt. Onto the yogurt, add water, little by little. It should be thick. Combine well, and if you see any lumps, make sure you remove it. Onto a pan, add some coconut oil. When the pan is hot, put some mustard and let it crack like this. Put some curry leaf, some ginger, let it simmer. Add the chopped forward onions. Give a quick stir. Add the green chilies to get a kick to the curry. And stir. Add turmeric powder. Give a quick stir. Add just enough salt to taste and stir well and cook the onions till soft. No need to golden or anything, just soft like this. Add the yogurt to the curry. Don't miss out to turn off the heat before you add the yogurt. Give it a quick mix. You will get a nice yellow bright yogurt curry. Let's try the yogurt curry with hot rice with some curd chilies. Wow, beautiful flavors. When you enjoy and eat, don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. And if you like it, please share it, comment it. Bye.